again, but with my other bag. Guys, this is what it looks like. These are the Smushy Mushy containers. I'm going to have to show you guys. Oh my god. Let's unzip her. One thing that I love about squishies is it reminds me of the YouTubers Shannon and Paul. Have you guys ever watched them? Those were my favorite people. And plus, they open blind bags, so I love them. Go subscribe to them if you haven't, by the way. Guys, look at her. Oh my god, I just can't. Guys, it's a peanut. Listen to it. Guys, look how fun the Smushy Mushies containers were. Oh god, I can't get it open. I still even have the checklist in the bag. I would remember that I put all the Smushy Mushies in there, and then like I'd act like that I'm unboxing. My milk carton? Oh my god, I love this one. Guys, this brand with like this penguin was such a good brand in squishies when they're like big. This is my all-time favorite squishy. Like, oh my god, I can't. Guys, my tooth fairy got me this, so I lost my first tooth. That's why it looks so beat up, but it's such a good squishy. Guys, the bullet from Mario. We're a panda eating giant.